Experiencing a disconnected status in your Tesla app? This means your vehicle isn't communicating with Tesla's servers, preventing remote control functions. The issue stems from network problems, software glitches, or authentication errors. As of late 2025, while Tesla has improved connectivity with updates like FSD v13 and app version 4.30 Plus, these disconnections can still occur, especially during peak hours or in areas with weak cellular coverage. Let's start with the basics. First, force close and restart the Tesla app. On iOS, swipe up from the bottom and pause to see recent apps, then swipe the Tesla app up to close it. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Tesla, force stop, then reopen the app from your home screen. This clears any temporary glitches in the app that might be causing the disconnection. Next, ensure your vehicle has a stable internet connection, either through a strong cellular signal or a reliable Wi-Fi network. Check the signal strength on your vehicle's touchscreen under Controls, Software. A weak signal can cause disconnections, so if possible, move to an area with better coverage or connect to a known Wi-Fi hotspot. If that doesn't work, try resetting the vehicle's network settings via the touchscreen. Go to Controls, Software, Reset Networking. This clears cached network data and can resolve connectivity issues. Wait for the vehicle to reboot, then check if the app connects. Also, make sure location services are enabled on your phone. The Tesla app needs location access to communicate with your vehicle. On iOS, go to Settings, Privacy, Location Services, Tesla, and set it to while using the app. On Android, go to Settings, Location, App Permissions, Tesla, and enable it. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the disconnected issue, move to Advanced Solutions in App and Vehicle Settings. First, in the Tesla app, enable the Always Connected feature if it's available in your settings. This keeps the app actively communicating with your vehicle. Next, ensure your Tesla app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues. Connect your Tesla to a known stable Wi-Fi network whenever possible. This provides a reliable alternative to cellular data. If you're comfortable, use Tesla's diagnostic tool available in your region to check cellular signal strength. This helps identify network issues. Mismatched software versions between the app and your Tesla can lead to connectivity issues. Ensure your Tesla's software is up to date. Tesla frequently pushes over-the-air updates. Check your car's touchscreen for available updates. Similarly, regularly update the Tesla app through your phone's app store. Your Tesla relies on either cellular data or Wi-Fi for its internet connection. Cellular connectivity can be affected by poor coverage, SIM card issues, or ISP throttling. Connecting to Wi-Fi can often provide a more stable connection, especially at home. If you consistently experience disconnections in a specific location, consider the quality of your cellular coverage there. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting steps and your Tesla app continues to show disconnected, it's time to contact Tesla support. Tesla support can perform remote diagnostics to identify issues with your vehicle's connectivity. They can check for underlying issues with your vehicle's connectivity module and potentially push a remote reset to restore connectivity. Document the steps you've already taken to help them diagnose the problem faster. Tesla is actively enhancing vehicle connectivity resilience to address disconnection issues. Integration with Starlink satellite internet aims to reduce cellular dependency, especially in remote areas where traditional networks struggle. This could improve connectivity speeds from basic cellular levels to high-speed satellite connections. AI-driven diagnostics in the app may predict and preempt disconnections before they occur. This could maintain high connection stability through predictive monitoring. While user-generated workarounds exist, prioritize official Tesla support for security reasons. The goal is near seamless connectivity, with advancements like redundant connections in future models.